guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the computer mouse called KINGKO INPHIC RGB Ergonomic Gaming Mouse, wired for PC, Mac, laptop, computer, USB, Optical Gamer Mouse. That's the full name, and Amazon Prime for $18.99. So let's unbox it. Alright, let's see, it's got a little tab here, so oh yeah, here's the writing in the back if you want to look at that. Full specs. Of course, it's a Chinese or Japanese product because of this. But that's how it looks like when you're unboxing it. And it comes just like this. It comes with the manual if you want to look at it. There it is. So from what I know, it's customizable, meaning that you can actually download software they have on your computer and pretty much customize the precision of like how sensitive the mouse will be. So the DPI, here's the full spec of it. So you can see it's the product model is PW6. Resolution is from 1200 to 4800 DPI, 7 cool RGB mode. So that's all the specs. Here's the back of this. It's got a QR code too, so that's for Facebook and Twitter. Well, so this is it right here, and it's got 3 buttons on the side. This is forward, backward, and since it is a gaming mouse, this is rapid shooting button right here. This is the DPI, and this is the color changing mode, and of course, scroller. It's this in the bottom. It's made in China, so let's plug it in real quick. Alright guys, so here's the mouse plugged in already, and the lights are pretty nice, especially for this lighting. Like, you can truly see it. Here, I'll turn off the light so you can see the lighting better. More in the dark. Still some light, but as you can see there, it's pretty nice, especially for dark. But even with some exterior lighting, I mean, it's still pretty bright. So you can also change the colors. So there's second mode, third mode, changes color slowly, fourth mode, fifth mode, and then sixth mode. And then seventh mode, I guess. It's got more than... There we go. Okay, so this one changes more slowly. That's pretty nice. And of course, you can turn it off if you don't want the LED lights. So this is the DPI button, but yeah. So now I have it set up with my computer, and as you can see, I'm on this website where you can actually test what is moving on the mouse. So it goes down, up, left click, right click, and side buttons. It doesn't have the rapid shooting button, but at least you can test out all the other buttons. Can't really test out the RGB light, but anyways. So like I said, this thing comes with the downloadable software, which this is its website right here, and it's called the PW Macro Definition Software. It's gonna come up in Chinese, but you just have to keep clicking continue, and this is how it looks like. Let's open it up. Alright, so here it is. It originally, once you first install it, it's gonna look like that, so don't be scared if it's on Chinese. There's the English button right there. Just click on it. So the cool thing about this, you can literally customize it, the whole thing. So you can literally customize the left button to be the right button, or the right button to be the left button. Or forwards to be backwards. So I'm gonna demonstrate this real quick. So as you can see, I'm gonna click the right button, and as you can see, that pops up. Now I'm gonna change the right button to left and put apply, and so as you can see, it's only the right button. There you go. And the left one still works too. And you can always just reset it to its normal and put apply. But it's pretty cool because you can go to advanced settings and change like pointer position, wheel speed, fire speed. It's pretty awesome. Let's see what else. I mean, if you really know how to customize mouses, it says right here you could probably import and export things. So it's got different configurations. Configuration 1, it's configuration 2, 3. It's got for media, game. Yeah, importing and exporting configurations or resetting. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. But overall, that's pretty much it for the software. Let's see, wait, advanced setting, let's see, pointer precision. Yeah, that's the, go that high, wheel speed. So let's check out the wheel speed real quick. Where's that? There it is. So that's the wheel speed right now. And let's increase it super. So I'll put that apply. Whoa, okay. Snaps. Now it's definitely way more sensitive than before. But that's pretty nice. I mean, you can customize that, reset it. But that's overall for the software, so let's move on to the game. Alright guys, so pretty much the game overtook my audio, so I'm over recording it, so you can't really hear the mouse clicking, but I'm just wanting to show you guys right now. So right now it's clicking the left button. It's showing you that if you long press it, it's only going to shoot once. So it's going to show you the difference between the left click compared to the rapid shooting. And as you can see there, rapid shooting right there, it's going to shoot more than once. There it is. But you have to hold it, of course. If you only click it once, it's going to be just like using the left button, which is going to be like a single click. But with the left button, even if you long press it, it will not rapid shoot. I know this game isn't like a high FPS intense game, but of course I'm using my laptop, so that's the main reason. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like the video, comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thanks.